Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, correct date and time, and that your Google account is signed in. Once done, restart the Redmi 6A and attempt to open Play Store to capture any error text. If an error appears, take a screenshot so you can compare later. Make sure battery saver or data restrictions aren't blocking background data. These commonly prevent Play Store from launching and are quick to fix. Next, dive into app settings. Go to Settings Apps and find Google Play Store, Play Services, and Google Services Framework. Clear cache first, then clear data for each. This removes corrupted temporary files and resets app state. Force stop each app and reboot the phone to let services restart cleanly. If Play Store still fails, uninstall updates from the Play Store app page to revert to factory version. Then try launching it so the system can reapply a fresh update. For persistent issues, remove your Google account and add it back. This forces a fresh auth and often fixes sign-in blockers. Make sure MIUI and system updates are installed because vendor patches resolve compatibility bugs. If nothing works, back up data and perform a factory reset only as a last resort because it clears deep software corruption. If Play Store still won't open, note any Google Play error code and try that targeted fix. That code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.